So my Unimog 404 is running on Nato tires, 12.5R20s, and the standard size is 10.520, so I have bigger tires. The rims are from an Unimog 406, 11x20 rims for drum brakes, and I really love them. Otherwise this side of your tire is like bended in. So this is the correct size. But they are quite heavy, and I have two spare wheels, and I can't lift them like as a single tire off the ground on my own. So I want to know how much they weigh, because I'm making something like this for on the back of my Unimog to lift them onto the roof here. So I made this construction with a big metal beam, two straps, some rope, a scale, a pulley, a strap, and a tire on the pallet truck. So let's see how much they weigh. The tire weighs around 39.5 kilos on the scale, but times 2 because of the pulley, so around 79-80 kilos per tire. So that is quite a lot of weight. So now you know how much a 12.5 Nato tire with an 11 times 20 rim weighs. Thanks for watching.